Shall I? Hello, good evening, my dear students. Good evening. Yes, students, you all must be waiting to complete your Lord Ganesha. Can you hear me, students? Can you hear me? Show thumbs up with smile, big smile. Yes. Acha, last period I gave you homework of giving outline. You have done? Have you done? Okay, so without delay, let's get started. Okay? Aishi, the battery is running low. Okay? So first of all, the very first step of doing colors is we go for drawing. Okay? The what coloring technique. First, we make drawing with pencil, which we have done. Second step, we give outlines with black sketch pen. We have done. Third step, what is the third step? Tell me. Tell me. Yes, we erase extra lines. You remember everything. Yes, we will be erasing all extra lines with eraser. So pick up your eraser and erase all extra line. Very good. Intelligent students. Erase all extra lines. And make your drawing looking clean. Okay. Now this is the third step. Erasing is third step. Let's repeat. First, we draw with pencil. Second step, we give outlines. Third step, we erase extra line. No, we will not be doing watercolors today, okay? Completely with plastic crayons. But yeah, today I'm going to tell you many stories about Lord Ganesha. Okay, this is special about today's evening. I want to share many beautiful stories with you. Those are not only wonderful stories, but with lots of moral values, lots of teachings, lots of learnings. Yes. Erase all the lines. I can see many students are busy erasing. Keep doing. Erased? Yes. Let's start. Okay? Yes. Now what we'll be doing? We will start with skin color. I will be taking skin color. If you don't have skin color, you can try orange color also. Okay? So you will be taking skin color and we will start doing skin color from here. Okay? But before that, I will take red color. Take red color and start moving on this tilak. Okay, red here and this Trishul also we made now. Move around that also. Move red on Trishul sign and tilak. We won't do oil pastels. We will be doing plastic crayons. Okay? Don't use oil pastel because the technique of using oil pastel is different. Now I will take skin color and we'll start moving from here. This corner. Sleeping lines. Small sleeping lines. Small sleeping lines. Okay, you will not change direction. If you have very little space to move your color, then also you will not change your direction. Normally students, what they do, when they find very little space, they change direction. But we should never do this. It spoils our artwork. Okay? Now see here, near eye, there is very little space. So normally what students do? They start going in standing direction. No. We can't see. Okay, wait. Yeah. Can you see now? Yeah. Okay, continue. Now see here, there is very little space. So now what students do, they start going for standing direction. No, we should not do this. Yeah. I will go for sleeping lines only. I will go for sleeping lines only. If the space is less, I will go for small sleeping line. But I will not change the direction. Can you see the file? Can you see my drawing? Show thumbs up. Okay, so Kashvi, if you can't see, now you click on speaker view. You'll be able to see them. Okay? Yes, sleeping lines, small sleeping lines. And don't put extra pressure. Normally what students do, they put so much of pressure on color. No, never do this. Sleeping lines we will be doing and we will go in the same ways in trunk. And do you know the story behind why Lord Ganesha's body is of men and head is of elephant? Yes, I'm telling you the story. Okay, once upon a time, okay, Lord Shiva, Lord Shivji went for Samadhi on Kailash Parvat and Parvati ji was all alone. So she decided that I want a companion. What she did, she took some grass, some clay and make a statue of a child. Okay? And with magic, put life in that, bring life in that. And that statue turn in real child. Parvati was very happy to have such lovely, cute companion. Lovely. And with lots as created by Parvati. So, he was son of Parvati. Parvati kept his name Vinayak. Okay. And Vinayak was very powerful because he was son of Shiva and Parvati. Shiva and Parvati are very powerful god and goddesses. So their son, obviously, he was very powerful, Vinayak. Sleeping line. See in ears also. All of you see ears. You will start coloring from top. Coloring from top. Okay? Sleeping lines. And Vinayak was very obedient. But he had never seen his father. Because when father went for Samadhi, that time Parvati created him. So he was not knowing that who is his father. So what happened once, Parvati went inside to take bath. And she ordered Vinayak. Vinayak, listen now carefully. Don't allow anyone. See, all of you see, ears, all of you, start from here, top. Small sleeping lines, okay? From here also. And Vinayaka, he never disrespect never, whatever Parvati used to command or order, he used to fulfill at any cost. He said, okay, ma, You go inside, take bath. I will not let anyone enter inside. Then what happened? After completing Samadhi and Tapasya, Shivji came back, and Shivji was also not knowing that he is my son, created by Parvati. Because when Shivji was not there, that time Parvati created Vinayak, na? So Shivji was not knowing that he is my son. And Vinayak was also not knowing that Shivji is my father. Never seen, na? So Shivji told the child, please go, let me go inside. I am Lord Shiva. So the Lord Shiva, so I will not let you enter. My mama has said, don't allow anyone. She's taking bath. I will not let you go. Lord Shiva said, dear child, please don't, you don't know I'm Shiv. So what? If you are Shiv, but I will not let you enter. When Shiv kept asking again and again to go inside, Vinayak start using some rude words. That I'm so powerful, if you will enter, if you will force, I will do this with you, I will do that with you. So this kind of disrespectful words make Lord Shiva angry. And what happened? He just took his Trishul and cut his head. That you, child, since long I'm asking you to enter inside and you're disrespecting me? How you dare? And cut his head. As soon as he cut it, Parvati came out and she started crying, what you have done? Vinayak is our son. I created him for company. I was all alone. He's son of you and me. What you have done? I want my son back. You do anything. Shiva said, now it's not possible. Now the head, I just behead him. So now it's very difficult. Parvati started crying and said, I don't know. You will make him alive again. Sleeping line, see, you will start from here and you will not change direction. In complete body, you will go for sleeping lines. Okay? See, very little space, but I will go for small sleeping line. Parvati started crying, became very much unhappy. Even Lord Shiva felt bad that Vinayaka was his son. He was not knowing. And as Vinayak was very rude and started disrespecting in his words. Then Lord Shiva called a servant and said, go and find out if the one you find first, animal or person, just bring head. I will put that head on Vinayak's body. Then servants set out in search at whom they are going to find first. They found a beautiful baby of elephant. They immediately cut head of that elephant's baby. And Lord Shiva put that baby's face, elephant's baby's face, on body of Vinayak and with magic put life in that. Vinayak was alive, Parvati was happy, Shiva was happy. But Parvati said, now who will worship my word? All will make fun of my Ganesha. See, here also you will go for sleeping lines. Okay, students? Will not go for standing lines, sleeping lines. From this corner also. So Lord Shiva bless that for every work you will be worshipped first. Otherwise, that work will be considered incomplete. From that day onwards, when we start any work, we worship Lord Ganesha. Lord Ganesha was very powerful. In his early age, when he was very young child like you, he killed Tarakasur. He was very strong. Okay, sleeping lines here. Small sleeping lines. No need to hurry. Go for small strokes. Small sleeping lines. Okay, so this was the story. Why? And we call Lord Ganesha Vinayak also. And Lord Ganesha is God of wisdom, knowledge, and wealth. Both. And there are many, many wonderful stories. Many stories of Lord Ganesha. Okay, using sleeping lines, we completed body also. Body is also done. Keep doing. Few lines if left of pencil, you can erase afterwards also. Yes. Okay, now the skin color in this fingers and here in hand also. Okay. Fingers are very thin, so do it very carefully. This is the story of Lord Ganesha. And Sunday we have Ganesh Chaturthi. And see, your drawing will be ready today. Your own friend Ganesha will be ready. Yes. Finish this hand also. Okay, complete it in standing line. If you feel that your pencil color is very much blunt, you can sharp it. Okay? Sharp it doesn't mean you will make the color small. You just give 2 to 3 rounds of, but 2-3 rounds are enough. And don't forget this feet of Lord Ganesha. Feet also skin color. Slowly and carefully. Yes. Finished, and then I will see first. Okay, finish the skin color and show me. Yes, if you want me to wait for you, show your thumbs down. I'm waiting. I can see many thumbs are down. They want me to wait for them. I will wait for them. Okay, continue. I'm waiting for you. Please, those who can't see, you click on speaker view because from my side it's going perfect. Okay, all of you have done skin color. Okay. Now I will be taking pink, dark pink. You can take any other color also. I will be taking pink and see from where you will be starting. From top. This middle 8, which I made now, in that, and you will start from here. From top, sleeping lines. Technique is same, small strokes, one direction, each stroke 4 times, no pressure on your strokes. Continue. Do you know the name of elder brother of Lord Ganesha? Yeah, the name of elder brother of Lord Ganesha is Kartikeya. So once Lord Ganesha and Kartikeya, they started fighting. I'm more powerful. I'm more powerful. Kartikeya said, no, you are not. I'm more powerful. Ganesha said, no, I'm more powerful. Then they went to Shiv and Parvati. Shiv Parvati came there. When they look at their kids, they were fighting children. They both were fighting. I'm more powerful. I'm more wise. So they asked, what's happening? Why are you fighting? They both said that we want to decide. Now you only decide that who is more wise and who is more powerful. So Shiva and Parvati gave a challenge, a task to both of them. They said the one who will take round of earth 7 times first will be declared winner and will be considered as more wise and more powerful. They accepted the challenge. And Kartikeya ride on Mayur, that is peacock. Immediately ride on Mayur and set off for taking round of earth. But what Ganesha did you know? Do you know about the story? Ganesha was very wise. What he did, he made his mother and father sit on one small elevated part, stone, and took 7 rounds of them. Completed and said, I have taken round of earth. Shiva and Parvati asked, Are, taken 7 rounds of earth? But you have taken 7 rounds of earth. Ganesha replied, You are everything for me. You are my universe. You are my earth. I know no one except you. For me, you are everything. You are equally strong, equally big, like earth. So why should I set out to take round of earth? You both are equivalent for me. This reply, here also start from your top. Small strokes, one direction. Slowly. Shiva was very happy. Parvati was very happy for this wise answer. And after a few days, Kartikeya also returned back after completing 7 rounds of earth. And he said, who is winner? Shiva and Parvati declared that Ganesha is winner. Because this is very true. Your parents are everything for you. Even God, with the story, what God wants to tell us, that give respect to your parents. Never disrespect them because they are everything for you. If you are cooperating them, you are listening their words, cooperating them in studies, in everything, it means you are respecting God. They are God for you. Okay? This story, Ganesha want to give us this message. Yes, complete this. Sleeping lines. Okay? Yes, finish it first. Small strokes, one direction. I started from here. Okay? Small strokes, one direction. I am watching. Wow, very good. Few students are showing and they have done really great work. Shabash, you all have done wonderfully. It means you are listening story and at the same time you are doing very nice work also. And there are many, many more stories about Lord Ganesha. I can see 1 or 2 thumbs down. I will wait for 2 minutes for them. And then we will complete this upper crown of Ganesha, Mukut. For that, I'm going to use different colors. Like I will be using purple, I will use green, yellow, orange, okay? Yes, finish this first. Okay, done? Fine. Now let's complete this. Okay. If a few students want me to wait for them, I will wait for 2 more minutes for them, okay? Yes, now I will start with this. I will take purple. You can take any color. I just want to make multicolored sleeping lines. And this you're supposed to make very beautifully and dark. Little dark color. Sleeping lines. Again, small strokes, one direction. Small stroke, one direction. Okay, this way we will keep doing different colors and try to do it dark. Okay, color should be dark. Lord Ganesha was fond of eating. Every time kept used to eat this or that, every time. And especially laddus and modak. Okay. After this, let's take green. You can take any other color also, okay? There is no foundation that you will be taking this color only. If you want to go for any other color, you can take. I will be taking green after this. Green. And then my third color is going to be yellow. If you want to make golden, then you can go for yellow. I just want to make it colorful. And then orange. Sleeping lines. Okay. And at the same time, I want to make this garland with, you can use multicolored pearls. If you want to go for golden, you can do it with yellow. If you want to show it with red, you can go. I want to make it golden, but golden will match with this. Let's make it red. Okay. Let's make it red. I want some prominent color. Yellow is somewhere not looking prominent with skin. So I will take red and I will complete all the beads of the string. Garland he is wearing. And if you feel that you want to make of multicolor, you can just put different colors in different circles. Yes. Complete this with red. If you want to use any other color, red is favorite color of Lord Ganesha. Yes. Finish. Dark. Okay, fill dark color. And this middle one, I will make outer circle with red and inner circle with yellow. Is door open? Yellow in these small beads. Yes, yes, you can try your own color scheme. If you want to go for golden and if you want to go for multicolored, you can try that also. And see, yellow I have now. I will complete this kada also. This golden jewelry. Here, deep yellow. Okay, I used deep yellow here. All of you finish? Okay, no need to hurry. Do it very nicely, okay? No need to hurry. Finish the garland. Yes. Now, done? All of you have done? Show thumbs up. Show thumbs up if done. Okay, okay. So I can see many thumbs are down. I will wait for them. Finish it. And those who have done, they will wait for 2 minutes so that our friends can finish and we all can stay in rhythm. What about? This is deep yellow. We have lemon yellow. 3 yellow we have na, in a color kit. I will be showing. Okay, so I have used this yellow. Rhythm, it means we all can stay in, keep ourselves in tune. Okay, now see, this is the darkest yellow color and I'm going to use this for laddu. Ganesha's favorite laddu. And when Ganesha was of your age now, many times he used to eat the things which are very harmful. And once it happened also, there was something which was very dangerous, but he felt that it is something eatable and ate. And it was so hot that it started burning in tummy, in stomach of Lord Ganesha. And that time, even Mata Parvati was not there. She was out for some work. And all doctors, Ganesha was took to doctor for treatment. Doctors kept giving medicines. They eat this, but that burning sensation in stomach, it was not healing. All were doing treatment, this, that, but he was not getting any relief. And after a few days, when Maya Parvati came back and Ganesha complained ki Mama, it's burning in my tummy. Maya Parvati laugh and say, eat some doob. Doob is a kind of grass. It has lots of medicine properties. So you will get well when you will have some doob. And then servants, they just run around to get some doob grass. And when Ganesha ate that, he was cured. He was fine. Black, brown, and golden. If you don't have golden, you can take yellow ochre. And if you don't have yellow ochre also, you can take yellow. Okay, black, brown, 3 colors. Take 3 colors. And from that day onwards, we offer doob, grass. It's a kind of grass. Ganesha loved that very much. From that day onwards, we offer doob to Ganesha. Take black and this inner circle of eyes. This inner small circle of eyes, do black. Carefully, huh? Do it very carefully. Yes. Both the eyes. The same ways as Parvati was knowing na, कि Ganesha must have eaten something wrong. He's fond of eating. So, nothing else except this doob is going to benefit him. Same ways your mama knows better about your health. That 1 glass milk every day is very good for you. 1 bowl curd is very good for your health. 1 fruit every day is very good for your health. Pizza, burger, are these all things, noodles, these all things are very unhealthy. Maggie, very unhealthy. You know? So she kept knocking, no, don't eat this, eat this. So you should listen. Golden. Outside. Just put in half part of outside circle. So we should listen and obey because she knows better. No one else except mother. Now take brown and cover the complete outer circle. Move on this golden color also. You will move your brown on golden color also like this. Okay? So in eating, whatever your mama is telling you to eat, you should, without argument, you should have it because that is going to benefit your health. Okay? Eyes. I'm repeating, I did black. After that, in half part, I did golden in outer circle. And then brown, I overlap this golden and complete outer part, I did it with brown. This is also a very small story. Yes. Now let's complete flowers. Okay? We will be completing flowers with different colors. So now you're free with your own color schemes. Few flowers can be made blue, purple, few can be made pink. Different colors. Fill it very nicely. Few of orange color. You can pick up 1 color and finish 2 flowers of that color. Like I picked up orange. So I will finish 1 flower here and 1 flower here. Then I will pick up green. Chalo, make 2-3 flowers with green color also. Green. This is light green. Huh? Fill very nicely. 1 green here. Let's take dark blue. You can take shiny blue. I have beautiful shiny blue. I will take that and make one flower with that blue color. One can be made here also. Red, you can do pink. Pink we have not used yet. Pink. Do you want to listen one more story? Okay. See, once there was a boy whose name was Kanha. Okay, his name was Kanha. And he was very lazy. Never used to do homework on time. And very buddhu student. The students who got very poor marks in exams, don't study, this kind of student. So what happened once, and every time he was getting very poor marks in exam, he used to do homework, never on time, this kind of person he was. What happened, once in one exam, he got 0 mark in all the subjects. All subjects. In GK, 0 out of 10. Maths, 0 out of 10. Hindi, 0 out of 10. When he got 0 mark in all the subjects, all his friends started teasing him. Say, you are a big duffer. 0 mark. And started laughing at him. He felt very bad. And that moment he decided that I will stood first in my class. I will work hard. I will stood first in my class. Give complete view. Just see. Okay, now I will take green and I will start doing this elevated part. Green. Start from here. He went home and started crying. Mama asked, what happened, Kana? Why are you crying? Kana replied, Mama, I want to do something. I want to become a very good boy. I will study hard. And I will show everyone that I'm not a buddhu person. I can do anything. Kanha's mom took her to Ganesha's image and say, see, Ganesha is your friend. Tell Ganesha to help, to give you strength so that you can work hard. You can do, see, this is light green color. Okay, green. As it's shiny green, when it shines, it looks like white. But it is not white actually. It's shiny green. You can do light green or dark green also. So, Kanha requested in front of Ganesha's image, Ganesha, will you be my friend? I want you to be my friend and guide me where I'm doing wrong, where I'm doing correct. I will change myself. I will study hard. Today I'm feeling very bad. I got 0 mark in all the subjects. All my friends were teasing me. Please help me, Ganesha. When he was requesting with closed eyes, he found a boy was standing in front of him with a cap on head. But that boy the face was like Ganesha only. He was having this kind of trunk. Yes, full screen you want. Okay. Keep doing green. For that day onwards, Ganesha was always there. And only Kanha was able to see Ganesha, no one else. Ganesha said, now from today, if you make me your friend, you will listen to my instructions. Kanha promised, Ganesha, whatever you will say, I will obey you. Ganesha said, from today, you will not spend time on computer and laptop. Your online classes are going on. As soon as your online classes get over and your homework is done, you will not play any game on laptop and computer. Kanha says, Arey, so how will I be able to play PUBG? Ganesha replied, PUBG? Are you playing PUBG? You will not at all play this game, not any other game also. This is wastage of time. You will not play any game. You will go to bed early, wake up early, okay? And at the place of, after completing your work, at the place of spending time on laptop and phones, we will go out and do cycling. Kanha said, okay, I promised you, whatever you will say, I will just listen you, I will obey you. And Kanha did the same. From that day onwards, he stopped playing PUBG and other games. After playing, and Ganesha instructed, now from today onwards, you will not eat unhealthy food. Okay, close view. Okay, I will be giving close-up view. Ayushi? 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 इसमें कुछ गड़बड़ हो गया.
जब भी ऐसा हो जाए ज़ूम इन करना.
ये तो कुछ फोन आ रहा था महाराष्ट्र मुंबई से.
अरे वो कंपनी का आता है कार्ड.
Okay. Yes. Green is done. I will be taking gray color. Okay. Now I will complete my mouse. Yes. We will be doing this ways. Then Ganesha instructed Kanha, from today onwards, you will not eat unhealthy food. Okay, no pizza, no burger, no Maggi noodles. You will eat healthy food Mama is giving you. Okay. Then Ganesha instructed, look at your books. Look at the condition of your books. Change covers, manage them, clean your room, keep your things properly, do your homework daily, learn answers every day. Kanha exactly did what Lord Ganesha instructed. And in next semester, in next exam, what happened? Tell me. Kanha, was he fail? He stood first in class. Yes. He stood first. Make a round. First you do this. Then we will complete this. He stood first in class. And everyone start praising. Wow, Kanha, you have done so well. The students, the friends of Kanha who were teasing him earlier, they started praising. Wow, Kanha, you are so brilliant. You have done such wonderful work. Will you be my friend? Will you be my friend? And earlier, no one was ready to make Kanha his or her friend. Kanha went to Lord Ganesha and said, thank you, Ganesha. Because of you only, I got first rank. Ganesha replied, no, Kanha. You got first rank because you were determined to work hard. I help only those who are determined that I will change myself and I will work hard. If you will kept asking God, oh God, give me first rank, you will never get first rank. But if you will request and pray God, God, give me courage so that I can. Chalo, continue, make a circle around Diya. Okay, lens, sleeping lines. Fill this circle. Okay, so God help only those who help themselves. First, you will have to be determined. I want to do this. I can do this. Okay, God has given us unlimited capability. Never think that I can never come first. I can never do this. No, you can do everything, but you're supposed to be determined. Yellow, make this circle yellow. Come on, all of you. Okay. So if you will keep requesting, God, Ganesha, please do this for me, go do that for me, he will never do. But if you will say, Ganesha, please help me so that I can do this, so that I can do this, then Ganesha will definitely help you. Okay? So this is what about today's story. How was the story? Show thumbs up if you like it. Yes. Okay? And this is very true. First, you will have to be determined. You can take dark brown, complete diya, sleeping line. These all stories, what these all stories are giving us message? Never to give up. Never give up. This is difficult work. I can't do it. You can do everything. You will have to see your shortcomings. And the second message which we get today, obey your parents. Okay? They are your best, big well-wishers. So listen to them. The instructions and whatever they say, listen to them and cooperate them. Okay? I will be doing this bottom part till here. Do this much first. I will be giving close-up view so that you can see this mouse and deer. Yes, wash is left. Wash we will be doing green. See here, this is blue. You can take any other color also. You can take yellow also, but yellow I don't want to take, otherwise it will get merged with this. I will be taking blue. Brown can also be taken, but brown will get merged with this. Let's go for blue. No, tusk we will not color. Tusk will be left white only. Okay? Because tusk, the color of tusk is white only. This is deep brown color of diya. Now I want to know this thing only, whatever you are learning, how many of you are going to implement this in life? I want to see this. Show thumbs up if you are going to implement whatever you are learning. Let me see how many of you are showing thumbs up. That's it. Okay? Whatever you are learning, you are supposed to implement in your life. Otherwise, there is no meaning of listening to stories. Isn't it? Okay, let's complete blue. I have taken shiny blue. You can take sky blue also. Small sleeping lines. And no stress on your color. No pressure. Small sleeping lines. Now the last part, that is wash. After coloring, we give wash. Okay, so first we draw. In second step, we give outlines. Third step, we erase extra lines. Fourth step, we fill colors. And fifth step, that is wash, the background coloring. These are 5 steps of doing plastic crayons. Okay? So the last step we will be doing, and then our Lord Ganesha will be ready. As my color is shining, but this is completely okay. You can see this ways it will look. I will complete this part, bottom part, till this green. Yeah, dark blue also you can use any color. Okay, we just want to make it little colorful. Mouse with gray color. And wash is always light. Okay, wash we are not supposed to do dark. In screen it's looking very shiny because it's shining. As I used shiny blue color now. Yes. I will give complete view. Yes. Full view. Yes, we will do that also. And for this top part, I'm going to use deep yellow. Okay. I will be using deep yellow. One stroke, okay? Small stroke, one direction. Here, while doing blue, you will not change your direction. Keep doing, keep doing. See, if you don't have gray color for mouse, you can do yellow ochre or golden. You can make mouse yellow ochre or golden also. Okay. Now green, sorry, yellow and small strokes. See, wash is a very important part of drawing. Very important part. So don't do it roughly. Otherwise, what will happen? It will spoil your whole artwork. See, sleeping lines. I'm doing yellow. If you want to go for some other color like pink, if you want to do green in wash, you can do that also. Okay. Wash, it means background coloring. This background coloring we are doing now, we are not leaving it white. Normally what students do, they just make their object and background coloring they don't do. But it is the most important part. Okay. So this background coloring is called wash. Okay. Keep doing because I just want to have a look on your work. And you know what? You all have done it so beautifully. You are really wonderful students. Very good students. And you listen to the story carefully and you learn so many things. And at the same time, you are finding out time. I know you all are having online school classes. You must be having homeworks also. But still, with this busy schedule, you are finding out time to learn something new. And when I ask you to promise me that you learn today this from story, promise me you're going to do this with whole heart. You promise me. This is the best part of so I can say that junior students, these are best, isn't it? And very hardworking. This ways, small strokes. Okay, yellow. And see, Sunday you have Ganesh Chaturthi. Ayan, you keep doing. If not done at the place of messaging, keep doing better. Ganesha's story and all other stories, they all are teaching us very small things. But these things are very powerful. So we should just implement them in our daily life. Okay, Ayan, continue. This is just wash. Okay, so don't worry. Continue. Dhriti, you click on speaker view. You will be able to see. Acha, Ganesh Chaturthi is tomorrow? Okay, we'll see calendar. It's on Sunday. Yeah, even I know that it is on Sunday. Whenever our Ganesha is ready, we will be writing request here that Ganesha, please make everyone cure. Keep everyone safe from corona. You can see so many are dying all over the world. So Ganesha always listen to the prayers of kids. because he loves small kids very much. And this is all about our today's work. Okay? Yes. Lord Ganesha's drawing is ready. I want to see, show, because very soon the class will get over and I won't be able to see them. All of you show your work with smile, huh? With great smile on your face. Oh my God, I can't believe. So nicely done. Now see, when I told you last time that we are going to make Ganesha, so many of you were messaging, ma'am, will we be able to make Ganesha? It is very difficult drawing. But see how beautiful, you can see work of each other. सब एक दूसरे का काम देखो अपने फ्रेंड्स का कितना अच्छा किया है. Very good. I can't help. Pick up your sketch pen. चलो मेरी तरफ से सारे स्टूडेंट्स अपना sketch pen उठाओ. This stars I am giving. और यहाँ मेरी तरफ से from my side write 100 stars. I'm giving 100 stars to all of you. 100 stars. Very, very good. Let's go for 3 clappings for such lovely work. Come on. Start. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Amazing work. Very well done. You are truly wonderfully doing. And recording you will be getting. See, sometimes we get recording very beautifully done. I can see the work and it's really unbelievable. Drawing, coloring, outlines, everything is perfect. Because of this only I have given this 100 stars to each of you. Shabash. Show your thumbs up if you enjoyed today's class. 3 stories. Today I told you. Yes, you all enjoyed now. And with this, time is also up. So I will have to wind up my class. Okay, enjoy your Ganesh Chaturthi nicely and write your request. Okay, you can just write your prayers here. And your Lord Ganesha is your friend Ganesha is ready. So with this, I will winding up my class. May God bless you. Bye, students. Bye.